Set to release in summer 2026, the Air Jordan 5 White Metallic is making a much-anticipated comeback, this time with a nostalgic twist. Nike Air branding on the heel replaces the Jumpman logo. Originally launched in 2015, the fan-favorite design by Tinker Hatfield is celebrated for its clean white leather uppers, reflective tongues, icy translucent soles, and sleek black and silver accents. Romania's sneaker market confirmed the retro's return, with the 2026 edition aiming to stay true to the 1990 original. Although the AJ5 marked its 35th anniversary in 2025, Jordan Brand shows no signs of slowing down, continuing to build on the silhouette's legacy. While no official photos have surfaced yet, the pair is expected to release in full family sizing. With its timeless style and subtle yet meaningful updates, the 2026 White Metallic AJ5 promises to be a highlight in the upcoming Jordan lineup.